Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to continue on our quick and easy interior upgrades on our 96 Bronco. The next upgrade is a new set of our Exactive Original scuff plates. These fit the 87 to 96 Broncos as well as the 87 to 96 Ford trucks. Scuff plates are a high wear item that sees a lot of foot traffic. This upgrade can be done with either a cordless drill with a Phillips bit or just a Phillips screwdriver. We need to remove the 4 screws holding our scuff plate in place and remove it from the vehicle. Place your new scuff plate in the original location and line up the factory holes. Once aligned, you can install 1 screw to hold it in place, then install the remaining 3 screws. Be sure not to over-tighten as the screws can strip out and the scuff plate can be warped. What an instant improvement this made on our Bronco's interior. As you can see, this was a simple installation, but sometimes some of the smallest things can make the biggest differences in your restoration project. You can find these scuff plates and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com.